Have you ever noticed when someone yawns, you suddenly feel like yawning too? Scientists believe this happens because of special brain cells called mirror neurons. When you see someone yawn, your brain activates the same pattern, so your body responds by yawning too. It's actually a sign of empathy and social connection. Did you just yawn?